You've been in your bedroom and know that feeling hurt on your skin. Think I don't know where your head's at. Where do I begin? Wrapping your fingers around it late at night, drinking. You let it linger, you couldn't quit. I think I'd leave it all behind. Love me a new one, I won't waste my time. Fuck it with you, oh let me show you how. Find me another, you can't break me down. Under the covers, under covers, yeah. Under covers, yeah. Under covers, yeah. Under covers, yeah. You fought from a touch just to break it. You thought that I would need it back. You didn't know that I faked it. No tears, no heart attack. Leave it all behind. Love me a new.
What's up, guys?
I won't waste my time. Fuck it with you, oh let
What's up? What's up? What's up? I'll be ready. I'll be ready in a minute. 1 minute, guys.
me another, you
Just 1 minute.
break me down. Under the covers, under covers, yeah. Under covers, yeah.
Code Visionary, good morning. Just 1 minute, 1 minute. I'm ready in a minute. Just give me 1 second. I have to write one email here quick. I'll be back in a second. Good. Okay. Alright, I guess here we go. Good morning, everybody. What's up? How you guys doing, huh? Wednesday morning. Is it Wednesday? Oh, I'm early. 7 o'clock in the morning. How comes? Had to bring my wife to work. At least somebody has to earn money, I guess. So, here we are. Here we are, guys. A new day, a new chance. Let's see. My designer say he did something. Let me have a look quick. The fuck? Let's see. I don't know. My designer say something. I want to have a look what he did. According to the video, we are missing a few views. No, we are good. Okay. Okay, good. So, what we got here? Ruby on Rails, guys. Ruby on Rails. I did something on myself yesterday. Let me use the music here and turn on the air conditioning. Alright, so concentrator. Yes, you see this, guys. Woo, and you see this. Woo. How you like this? Huh? How you like this, guys? Is this cool? And you know what's really cool is? If I reposition this, the model will always come over exactly this size. So now if I open it here, and it's going to relocate even then to that location. That is pretty neat. So if we are mobile and I do that, that's also working. I wonder if it's here. It looks correct to me. Maybe the width has small issues with this scroll bar here, but that's something to fix. So how you guys like this? That is cool, right? Guess so. I mean, I don't want to say I steer, but I took that idea from CoinFalcon, which is a brilliant idea, I guess. And I need to make this a little bit more. Interesting. So, how do we do this? Okay, let's go into our CSS. So let me explain you how this is done if you want to see this. So I have this container QuickBuy and I have my tabs, these two here. I have a fake connector, because if I do not have this fake connector, then we have a box shadow issue. As you see here, you can see the box shadow now. So that's not what I wanted, so that's why there's a fake connector, just a plain white thing that is positioned a little bit. That cuts this off. And then we have the form. This is the form where we have the selected coin. We have this input field, which I have to dynamically adjust the size and font size and the margins and stuff, so this can be bigger. And then we have a button, and if I click on this one, if I click on selected coin, this is this one here, then we say the overlay gets display none, which is just the overlay, just that one. And the modal is showing up, and of course the modal is we have to make it like a remote model so we can inject content into it. But the model doesn't know now. And then we say the main wrapper gets the class blur so he can blur us out. And then we simply call reposition model. And then on resize, we also always call reposition model only if the model is open, which then we set here, model is open as a global defined variable. So this is how it's done. Yeah, that was fun to do. I like that. I don't know if the code is good because I'm not a JavaScript developer. It's in jQuery. I'm pretty sure you do this better in Vue.js, but I'm no expert in Vue, so. But let me know how you guys like this. I think to make this really pretty, we need to. Process, and then we say back button. Is 1. So if I clicked on the back button, I guess that is possible. So if I click on the back button, that's good. That is working. But there needs to be a return false. And there needs to be a prevent default as well. And then stop propagation is right here. Just in case, no bubbling. So now it's go down. See, that is working perfect now. The selected coda, I don't know what's up. You tell me what's up. Do you like this? Do you think this looks good? I just have to style this skull bar here. I don't like that skull bar. I can make... Wait, this we need to make bigger. Do we have to say back? Like, what do you guys think? Do we have to say back? Like we say back. And then we say this one, the back button. It needs to be display block. Of course. Should be display inline block. So and then text decoration. None. And then font minus weight bold. No. But letter spacing this. Do we need it bold or not? No bold there. And I guess one IM. This is better. So this is how we do it, yeah? This is how we roll, guys, isn't it? Let's have a look. We have color, margin bottom one. Okay, now that looks good. There is no back, of course not. Do we write back or not? Back. Back. Okay, and the I needs a little spacing to the right, so I say I. Margin right. Damn, I really work a lot. Do you guys realize that? I really work a lot on this, eh? So now we good? Are we? Are we good? Okay. I wonder if we have some coloring here. If I go crypto direct. Style guide. Now let's have a look, guys. What colors do we have here? We have this. Okay, should we define these colors as like blue 100, 3, 5, 7, 900? Yes. Let's do that. So then we can have them in our template in the future. So variables. Okay, so we can say $blue. Wait. $blue. Okay. That is blue. I think. Where is that from? I thought blue was 304595. Wait, how does that look? Did we have the wrong blue all the time, guys? Wait, there's no blue. I'm confused now. Wait, what color is that? Inspect. Oh, it's a different one. It's this. Okay, I did correct. So 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So we can say dollar blues, and then we say merge of an array hash, and we say, so I can say this is blue 100, yeah. Blues. And I say dollar blue 100. So here we say 3, 5, 7, 900. Okay, and then we have to define those, and we say dollar blue 100. There you go. Marco, good morning. Yeah, it looks darker for sure. I don't know. Like less saturation as well. I don't know. 6 A 7. But it's okay, you know, if we change these colors, it's just a config file I need to change. And the whole layout is then changed, so I'm okay with that. You know, just spend 1 hour now to make it nice, consistent variables, and then have no issue in the future doing anything like that. Okay, is that working? I don't actually need blues, I guess. Nah, I don't need that. Theme colors, map merge. Okay, no problem. So we got the blues in now. I have to say blues is that. I have to instantize it. Okay. I hope my CSS is still good. And there it goes. There goes the error. Guess there needs to be that. Okay, blue is back to life. So that means now I can say, for example here, in selected coin and active, background is then $blue 900. For example. And if I go dashboard, is this blue 900? C80, yeah, makes sense. Okay, cool. And then I can say, and hover, background is maybe blue 700. And cursor is pointer. That goes in the LE anyways, not in active or hover. I guess we have to switch this. So hover is light and active is strong. Yeah, that makes more sense. So then we say first active is strong, hover is light, active is strong. Okay. And then do you think we need to make the color here a little bit different, like color white? No. But maybe it needs to be font weight bold. Letter spacing on PX. Is it that way? Font weight bold. What do you think, Marco? Is that font weight bold? Is that better? I feel like the margin here is too big as well, yeah? So we give less margin bottom. Probably that. Or even this. No, that's too small. This is better, I guess. But if I scroll down, I want this back always present. So this container needs to be scrollable, not this whole thing. So that means overflow. This is kind of like wrong. Wait, overflow is hidden as well. No overflow here. And then here, I hope we can do it that way. Wait, how is that working? I never did that in CSS, but I know I can do it. I can say this one. This is the model. I said overflow scroll. So I have to say height, because there is no overflow right now. So I have to say height 100%, and then there is overflow. But how do I style my own scroll bar? CSS own scroll bar. No, own scroll bar. Gene, good morning. Venezuela, hello. Costa Rica. Nice to see you. Okay, this is what we want though. Shit. Bootstrap make container scroll bar. Scrollable. Yes, hello, hello. Overflow. Okay, overflow auto. Oh. Wait, height 100%. Max height 100%. Can I say add extend overflow auto? That is the question here now. How are you guys? No. Oh, sorry. I want this whole thing scrollable. That is wrong. I want that scrollable, of course, not in that, but in the UL. This is what I wanted. I was doing it wrong. Because I want the back button to be present all the time. That was stupid of me. Let's see the opposite thing here. Yeah, at least that is okay. So I have my UL. Okay, if I give him like a real sizing. Okay, this could work with 100% if I give parent 100%. So I say here height 100%. There you go. That's what we want, guys, huh? Huh? Nice. Okay, cool. So then we do this deaf friend now. We've wrapped this. Wait. First of all, this is high 100%. Min high. That doesn't. Okay, just hide. Sigmorpho, hey! What's up, mate? How you doing? Good morning, my fellow friends. Nice to see you all. Sigmorpho, how you like this? How you like this? Huh? Is that cool? And then we can scroll here. Just needs better styling. Well, I have it 7:30 now. Early bird catches the worm until he's sleeping. Until he falls asleep. That would be hilarious if I just pass out and just sleep here live on stream, man. So this is exactly what we want. What we need here, of course. Wait, there is a padding. Coin select model is this one. So how is it that my which one? Well, I don't talk about shadows now. We have to make functionality. Like final design comes later. I got a guy for that. Yeah, well. Did you not yesterday be the guy who told me 0.2 is good? So, the question is, if this is my visible drawing height, how is then this so much bigger? So do I have to say 80%? Feels like cheating. Do you see my issue here? Well, I work on this box here, this quick buy thing, where you just say something like that, which is pretty cool. The cool thing is that it works like on all devices. It even resizes itself. So if we are mobile, we hear same functionality. It's pretty cool. I did that really well. And if we hear on small, it's the same, man. So that works really great. That is stunning. However, can somebody tell me why height 100% isn't working? So wait, I have to say margin bottom. No. I don't get that. Why is my UL? So this thing is 100%. This has a fixed size. Okay, this has a size. This has a. And then this container has a padding. Do I have to say width? So this container is completely in there with a padding and zero margin. That isn't necessary. And then I say I have my back button. Fine. Ah, that's the issue. The UL takes 100%, that goes to parent. If there's no back button, then it's working. Okay, I get it. I get it, I get it, I get it. Okay, no problem. So we have to say in this case hashtag UL wrapper. Okay. And then we can say UL wrapper. And then this is height 100%, width 100%. So this might work then now. No. Let me see why. What's going on here? My model. So this. Ah. How is that? Do I have to do it like this? What's happening then here? Uh-huh. That seems to be quite annoying. Can somebody quickly explain me that? Like, in my easy thinking, if I say, hey, you 100%, he's taking 100% based on the parents' container height, but he is not deducting. Well, if I don't give him any height at all, okay, look, the problem is I have a misunderstanding here. The problem is if I have my model, okay, my model, this, which has a fixed size and height. I have a wrapper inside with padding. And then I have my back button, this one. And then I have a wrapper. And this wrapper should only have the height from here to here. But if I say height 100%, he's taking the same height as here is available. He is not deducting that there's another element. And for that reason, if I say then here your height is 100%, they are just here too big. So I have to say, in this case, height is like 80%. Yeah, that is actually unrelated with padding. I can give him. So that is unrelated. Because you see, if I take the height out and I say height 100%, then it's still the same. Box sizing border box. I don't even know what that is. I assume that goes to my UL wrapper. What would that do? So now he's that big. Content box gives you default CSS box sizing behavior. Yes, that is a problem because I want to make it scroll. It needs to be scrollable. And it's only scrollable if there's overflow. So we say overflow Y, scroll. So we have to say hide. But now it's going all the way down. So I have to kind of like cut him and say hide is only this. Which really sucks. I mean, if it's that what I have to do, then I have to do it. That is okay. But that's not what I want to do. Bootstrap scrubber. So I mean the scrolling is okay now. I leave it that way, it's fine. I just have to... This is overflow scroll. Where's my scroll though? On the UL? No, we don't want that anymore. We want the UL wrapper to scroll. Okay, so can I now say that here is this. If you keep the height but put box sizing border box on the model, well, which one? I can do 100%. So which one you want me to do box sizing border box? Oh, I mean this is the model. Okay, model gets box sizing border box. Good. And then this is the inner wrapper. Same. And then the back button, does it need probably as well? I don't know. And now the UL wrapper. And nothing happens. And the UL, zero effect. It's okay. We keep it this way, I guess. It's fine though. It's just that we say now here padding right on IEM, and we are happy. So now we have a scroll bar. How do we style scroll bar? Holy shit. Scroll bar style generator. Let him do this for us. WebKit. You do, absolutely. Absolutely we do. That is the best. Well, isn't there a possibility to make a fake scroll bar? Don't use the browser scroll bar. Instead, we use a CSS generated fake scroll bar. Overlay scroll bars. Let's have a look on that. A JavaScript scroll bar plugin. Yeah, I guess this is what we want. That's a good thing. We don't need themes, we need this by our own styling. I can scroll in it. Yeah, I guess this is cool. How is my integration? GitHub overlay scroll bars, right? Is there an asset pipeline? No, it's not. Shit. Oh, wait, there was simple bar? What is simple bar? Let's have a look at that. This is Vanilla.js. Ah, this also looks good. Ah, now we have something to compare. So that's overlay scroll, but that is simple. Let's have a look. With native scroll, done simple, lightweight, easy to use cross-browser. Well, we need CSS, we need simple bar min.js, that's okay. Oh, this is actually pretty cool. This is actually really nice. The other thing I have to, like, if I read it correctly, I had to kind of like do it with JavaScript calls. Yeah, exactly. So that is pretty annoying. Well, this has then some listeners on it, but it's Vanilla.js, so that's pretty dope. I take that one. Alternatively, I can do it this way. I don't have to do it that way. Data simple bar. Data simple bar auto hide. That's pretty nice. Pretty neat. Let's take that, guys. We take this CDN here quick. What is that? That is simple bar. Okay. Let's throw that. No, the CSS we do manually. Okay, we do this. Say style sheets internal simple bar as CSS, and can here say import simple bar. Okay, and then in simple bar we throw that in. Okay, and we can play with that later. And in our internal JS, we say this a simple bar. Where's my JS, bro? I don't want a minified version. Fuck that. Packages. Simple source. This oh no, this is not compiled. That isn't good for me. Okay, we take the compile thing here, no problem. Think about min. Okay, let's take that. Okay, then he can say internal / simple bar. Check the release as well. This is super current though. This is super current. Like this is active development here. So whatever, this is fine. I mean, this is not production shipped yet. Fade to import simple bar. How dare you? That is better, I guess. Okay, and all I need now is I have to say, I guess here. Data minus simple bar. True. Okay. I can say nil, I guess. No, I have to say true. That is annoying. Whoa, cool. Whoa, that's really cool. So this scroll can go to trash now. Oh, nice. Thank you so much for these gems, man. They are beautiful. Okay, so then we can say here overflow stuff hidden for sure. There, my model overflow hidden. Hidden. That's it. Okay. So then we need to put this on the correct container, I guess. I mean, this is... No, I don't want the back button scroll. That is wrong. So... Same issue. It's not that one, it's this one. This is what has to scroll. And that doesn't work. Now let's have a look. I know why this doesn't work, because it's... No. That is the issue. No, wait. Where's my issue? What the heck? Because overflow hidden. Interesting. Now we have a scroll bar. Ah, I get it. Okay, wait. So it's not always visible, okay. I understand that. Can I say... Heading right, maybe 2 IM? No. Simple bar wrapper. Yeah, I've seen that in the docs actually. Hide. Yeah, I've seen that in the docs. So it's persistent then showing the scroll bar. That's probably what we need. So I can say, let's do the following. We say data simple bar is true. And then simple bar outer height false. And then we close that hash. That's probably what we need. Okay, so my issue was this one. No. Wait. That is fucked up now. Okay, let's do the following. We remove this, we remove this, we remove this, and this. And this, and then we see what we get from here, because I'm pretty sure that this container is doing all this stuff for us. Not yet, not quite yet. Okay, so what is missing? My coin model needs height 100%. And then this needs overflow hidden. Okay, that's the first thing. Height 100%, overflow hidden. Done. The next step is that let's make coin select. And then we have this UL wrapper, and that is the issue. And the UL wrapper needs, I assume, no, that is overflow, that's not what we need. We need height. Interesting. This outer height isn't working. Simple bar outer height. It's called just outer height. Okay, and then this wrapper is still 85%. Good. Now that's the whole issue. So this is all we need. There you go. Ah, this is cool. This is cool, guys. Cool. How do we style that? How do we style that? Simple bar, background, black, color. Oh no, what happens when I say red? Okay, so we can just say dollar primary, and that is our strong blue. We probably make it the same blue like this. And it's still not. It's still not working that way, but it's okay. I wonder if we can say the LE, this one needs margin right, 1 REM. Okay, now we have space there. Okay, so we can say that the UL gets margin right, 1 REM, and this thing here is padding. No, not this one. This one. And then this padding is gone. I want there more space between the data and then the scroll bar and the content, which I don't have now. Do we need more, bro? I need more. Okay, so I say here then padding right 0. Okay, we keep it as it is, I guess. This is okay. But it's still hiding. How to hide? How to hide false? If the user is not scrolling. Data simple bar auto. No, it's simple bar auto hide. That's correct. What did I do wrong here? Data simple bar is true and simple bar auto hide is false. You just say data simple bar. Data simple bar auto. Oh, it's because it's false? Okay, I know now. Okay, because it's false, then Rails ignores the data attribute. And then here now it's in. Okay. Okay, that was a little bit of a Ruby convention. Okay, now it's persistent. Now I'm happy. What do you guys think? Is this dope? It's pretty neat, man. It's pretty neat. That is really cool. Okay, so what's the next step? Next step is that in my form I need something like input name is market and type is hidden. Okay, and then I have to say that internal we say data is this and then market is in this case a set EUR. So now market is BTC EUR. Great. So if I now click here, I want this to be active. This is inactive, this is active now. And then it sets the data market into this input thing. No big deal. So I can say document on, and then this is model, and we call it simple bar can close. UL wrapper, no, UL select coin. UL select coin LI, and we call here on click, and then we give him a function with an event, and we close this, and we can say console dollar this is dollar this. Okay, and I can say now that dollar model dollar active, remove class active, and I say dollar this add class active. Does that make sense to you guys? So I remove the current active one and add this to the now active one. So if I click here, that is not working. That is beautiful. What we got here? Remove class active. Isn't that working? That is indeed working. Dollar this dot target, I guess. Not yet. It's not what I want. JS, where you at? We are actually here. So if I click here, that isn't even matching. Model US select coin. Interesting. Model select coin. LI. Well, we got those. Oh, it's on click. Dollar document on click for those objects. You don't need that anymore. Now this should be good. Yes, nice. So you can say, yeah, I want Bitcoin Cash, bro. Beautiful. Okay, that is working. And then I can say $this data of market. That's what we want. And I can say here something like ID selected current market, and then I say dollar hashtag current market val. There's this data maker. Okay. And if I say hashtag Mark it. It's known blank. I say Litecoin. LTCEUR. BTCEUR. That works good. So we can say default value BTCEUR. Perfect. Nice. So then I can say here current market works great. And by default it's Bitcoin. It is Bitcoin. The next step is if I click here, I want the model to hide. Okay, I want the model to hide. So we say here actually hide model. And then here we say var hide model is a function that does this, and then here I can say hide my model, bro. I click here, Monero, Ripple. So the next step is this needs to be replaced. Okay, this needs to be replaced. So it's here, and then we can say selected coin in this. Okay, and selected coin inner is display inline block, I guess. Selected coin. Display inline. Okay, that should be so good. Perfect. So now if I click here, I want this inner be replaced with the stuff I just clicked on. So I guess I can say I don't know if this is actually good code, but this is how it is. I can say selected coin inner HTML, and I can say $this HTML. Not sure yet, but in theory this might work. And it does! It does, guys! It does! How beautiful is that? That's pretty bonkers! I like that. That's pretty cool. I select Dash, I select Ripple. Fuck yeah, I do that. I'm pretty satisfied with this. Bitcoin Cash, that looks really good. Okay. Beautiful, let's commit this. Get status, get add, get commit minus styling the quick buy. You know guys, this makes us money. This is why I'm like putting so much effort into this. Oh, I can, you know, I could like click here for hours. For hours. Just believe me. I could click here for hours. And maybe I have to do something like this. Buying. Like a headline. Buying. Should here be like buying probably. Can I say chevron left? Okay, and then back is just back. Chevron left. And then this is like H2 by. So this needs to be smaller. We set here back button. Okay, we make this smaller and say it's only half an IEM, and it needs only, no, the margin bottom needs to stay. That was one. But this is going to be half an IEM. It's even less though. 2.5 IEM. It doesn't even need IEM because the icon itself has that a little bit. Okay, and then buying can go somewhere like there. And then if we click here on sell, and this is active, then here is going to be selling, buying and selling. You guys think so? H2 display inline. I guess this is fixing it itself. And now I can say the H2 is margin. No, that is apparently not working. I can say justify. No, that would be on this one. Huh. Okay, here's then. No, that is stupid. Justify content center would be stupid. And align item center is also stupid because it is not display flex so far. Okay. So we need a header in our model. We can say coin model and we say modal header. There you go. And then in the modal header we can have fun, guys. Let me go here. We can say modal header. This goes into my header. And I can say something like, if I want, border bottom 1px solid. Today my grammar seems to be off. Okay, let's try that. There is it though. So the H2 has a lot of margin. That doesn't need to be there. There's also margin. We don't need that anymore. So my modal header. The heck is that? Oh. That is shitty. That is why it's so confusing. Padding 0. And then margin bottom on PX. Yeah. Okay, so we don't call this modal header, we call this modal headline. That interferes with the bootstrap stuff, that is pretty shit. Okay, modal headline, margin bottom is 1 IEM, I guess. And then the back button doesn't need margin bottom anymore, and we can say It's also margin 0. Now we good. So can I say center, text align center? No, I could say that here. Text align center. Wait, and then this here I say position absolute. And here I say position relative. And then I say left 0. And top 50%. 25%. There you go. There you go, boy. Yeah, nice. I mean, there are plenty of ways to do this, but this is one of those. Nice. Nice, Timmy boy. Display inline. Alright, text align center, position relative, position absolute, left 0, top 25%. That is working absolutely beautiful. I guess you guys watching me are proud on this, because you know I'm not the professional in CSS, but I get it done. It's not that I don't know about this, I don't know how it works, I struggle with it. No, maybe I'm a little bit more slow because I'm not massively fluent in it. But I think also with CSS, at the end, it's kind of like programming. You need to, I don't know. You need to kind of like find the most efficient ways of doing it. For me, like there are so many ways you can do this. I mean, I could also just margin it, like make a margin here of some like 20% or something. I could position this as well on 50%. I mean, there's so many ways you could do this. But boy, I like this. So this is really, really cool. Nice. I really like this. Let's make this here. This one. This can actually then go pull right. I don't know actually. Float right. Can, but I don't really want to float around here. And then has to clear fix. There are better ways actually. I could say it different. Action icons. Form. Selected coin inner. I can say position relative. And then I can say I position absolute right 0. Top I don't think I need. Let's have a look. Right is like 1 IM. And font size is 1 IM as well. Like needs really to be big. Okay, wow, that's cool. Buying. Okay, I think this doesn't needs to be an H2, and H3 would be plenty of big enough. H3. So we make this, we remove. Quick H3 as well. I'm doing good today. So Severine, so let's see. I'm confused. I remember you had $15 in your bank. Then I spent $5, but then I deposit $4.55. Now I'm at $17.02. Good question, man. Good question. I remember you told me yesterday you had $4.55 on PayPal. You found them, and then you can subscribe to me. Man, that's crazy. But you only have $15 in your bank? Hey, buddy. Man, if that's true story, bro, man, you need the money more than subscribing to me. I really appreciate that. But please, don't do that again. I don't know. I don't want you to stay hungry because you subscribe to me and now you can't afford food. Please don't do that. Please don't do that again. Okay? If you feel you want to give love back and subscribe, that is really appreciated. But just yes. Okay. Well. Okay. Just make sure you also have money for yourself. All right? That would be really nice. How do you like my buying form? You didn't see it yet. Is that cool? So we click here, and you click then here, and then bam. Yeah, I think that's pretty dope. We need to select this thing. User select, quick by none. Here's completely everything, quick by none. So that means I can't select anything, and this should also not be selected. So we can say this whole goes into here. Coin select model. No, we only support Euro. At least for right now, because to add USD support or GBP support, that is hell of a task. But for now, we only support Euro. That is enough for us. We are in Europe, mate, and then ooh, this is pretty dope. So the next step would be to say. Yeah, this one. So here I need all of you guys' help. I make it an input, and if I now type a second number, I need apparently the width to be this wide. Okay? No space between the two containers. Oh yeah, no problem, mate. There you go. That is just final styling. In general, we do it here. Okay. Eh? Wait. Why is that then moving down? Oh, sorry. Wrong container, here we go. So in case you make it smaller or something, okay. Well, then work for the NSA and CIA, bro. If that is what you want, that would be nice. Okay, this is really nice. I really like it. I really, really like it. What? Well, but isn't it like entirely difficult to get into Microsoft? Like I know the oh, that's actually good. But you not definitely, but I know the hiring process of Facebook. Honestly, I couldn't do it. I couldn't do it. They have like these tests. I don't know, like, you know, I don't know. I have a friend who make it to the final stage when they fly him in for interviews and stuff, but they didn't take him. But yeah, I couldn't do it. I don't know. I think. I think then I really have to prepare myself for these tests. It's pretty sick. Well, that doesn't sound so dramatically. I mean, I guess for Facebook it's a little bit different anyways. Like, you're not applying for a programming job at Microsoft, because I assume then they might do a little bit different requirements on that. Okay, kids. The next step is this one. Just a DC tag. Oh, wait. Now I get it. You get a job at a DC. I initially read a job in DC, like Washington DC. That's why I say, oh, you can work for the NSA and CIA. Oh, wait, at DC. So I was confused. I thought I might soon trying to get a job in DC, since for a DC tech, a lot of DCs don't have many requirements to be a DC tech. I'm like, okay, you work for the NSA. Oh, no, at a data center. Wait, data center pays 100K a year? Ooh, wait. I hope that's not California, because that isn't much. Input type. ID. Yeah, that's the problem. It's 100K is like 45, 50K. I'm not sure. I never lived there, but this is just what I understand. Like they pay you like 110K. Yeah, okay. Well, so I don't know where you live. I mean, if you live Bay Area, there is no Bay Area with 100K a year. You share your apartment, bro. You share your apartment. South Bay. I don't know where that is, to be honest. South Bay. LA County. Why does he tell me South Bay is in Thailand? South Bay Beach sounds like that is South Bay. What? Well, but South Bay is LA, and LA is way less expensive than San Francisco, isn't it? Like, if you go here, San Francisco, and then Bay Area, that is ridiculous, isn't it? Like, everything around here is just ridiculous. I mean, if you live here, that sounds okay to me. Huntington Beach. I mean, this is still expensive probably, but I assume 100K here in San Francisco feels like 45K in Texas, and 100K here in LA feels like 55K in Texas. So I think with 100K in LA, you're way better off than with 100K in Bay Area. Actually, what I read, 100K in Bay Area, dude, you live in a shared apartment. And all these companies, they pay so much salary, but they don't let you pay remote. They kind of like force you to live somewhere close there, because you do not want to travel from here to fucking all the way, I don't know, like say like here, somewhere outside. Right, like here. That would be already 2.5 hour drive, so that would be too much, man. Say like Bay Area. So I assume, I don't know this, right? But I assume, based on my life experience, if I say you don't want to live there anyways, but even in San Jose, that is still a hell of a ride to go fucking. That's still like a hell of a trip every day in the morning. I think you don't want to go there every day in the morning. Yes, but Facebook, and Google and Apple, they don't give you remote jobs, at least not that I'm aware of. That's what I mean. They kind of like, they pay so much salary, and that is a great salary, but they kind of like force you to live in that area, which makes you with 100K salary. Like, I have a guy, he makes 140K in Facebook, which is okay. That's not a bad, 150K. It's not a bad pay. And he's pretty much like, I live campus life. Yeah, it's like a cult, exactly. He lives campus life for sure. You know, like his life is on the campus, basically. Hey, isn't there this great blog entry of the guy that works at Google headquarters, and he lives in a fucking truck. He lives in a truck. And he parks it at Google headquarters, and he say, yeah, I take a shower there, and then I walk back to my truck. My laptop has 6 hours battery life. I just sleep and I go back to work. Google employee live in truck. Yes, this is it. This is it. This is it. Oh shit. Exactly this. He bought a truck for 10K or something. Because he's like, fuck these prices. Yeah. Exactly. He paid $10,000 with this. Fuck. And he tells like how the security then kind of like came and say, hey, like after 3 months or something, they're like, hey, what are you doing here, mate? He's like, oh, I'm living here. Oh, it's wild, I guess so. Oh, I guess so. You know what's also wild? That's my quick buy form, guys. My quick buy form is also pretty bright. Especially if you do it like this. Quick buy amount. That seems to be shitty. Okay. Weebernets, did you see my quick buy? Have a look. How do you like this? Is that cool? Can go back, can click here, or I can click here and then it's selected. Thank you, that is nice to hear, it's good to hear. If you like it, feel free to buy a lot of Bitcoin with us. We make you rich. Are those prices real? I don't think these prices are real. And it's dark outside the way we like just drive deep into things we don't say, but we both understand. I want it so bad. I feel it in my toes and hands, yeah. Are those prices real? Oh, that looks more realistic. Shit. I don't want to know, man. I don't want to know. My last saving goes to shit. Well, no problem. Now I create my own bank. I got rich. All right, fine. So the next step is we have to work on this. All right. So how do we do this? We need to say this one here, the quick buy amount. So I guess dollar document on. So what is this? Key press or key up? Key down. On change. Wait, the change event is only triggered if we out focus, right? Let's have a look. On change of this thing. Let's have a look on this thing, and then we have a function, and we say console. Why is there no stupid print in JavaScript, man? Console log change. Okay, we need key press, key down, and key up. I hope those are the names though. I'm not sure. JS key. Wait. JS key events. Keyboard event. What we got here? Key code info. That's not what we need. Init. No. Key. JS key press. I want to know the exact names. On key press. Okay, that's good. Key press. Key up. Key down. Okay, fine. So let's have a look then. Change key up. That looks good. Okay, let's run this quickly and let's have a look what's happening. Unexpected token is happening. Yeah, but where, bro? Why are you so mad? On. Oh, this seems to be wrong. On this has to be function. Yeah, okay, now we good. Still wrong? Like, let me have a check here. Oh yeah, that looks wrong. Now we good? Okay, now we good. So, what happens when I do this. Key down, key press, key up, and then, yeah, exactly, if I leave this change. So I think I want to do this on the key down event. Key down, key press, key up, and then this is the change event. Okay, so on key down. That's where we want to do it. And I need something like Vel ist. No, okay, Vel is past float. $, is there, isn't it? And we can say console log val. Okay, let's have a look. That is interesting. So I say this. So he doesn't know my value yet. Because it's on the key down event. So we need to do it on the key up event, because that means the key is not in there yet. It's not inserted. So let's have a look at the key up. That is better. Okay. So we can say if val not equals nan. Is that a thing in JavaScript? Because nan is like that thing. What is nan? Dude, I never did so much JavaScript. Fuck that. If is nan. That is obviously, but is I thought about the data type though, but if is nan val. So this is how we check that. So that so that isn't even nan. If not, wait. If not is not a number. Okay, so okay, now we good. Okay, so then I say this is my value, and I have to say length is val to string length. Okay, and then I say this CSS width is 45 plus, and I just say like 25 times length. Let's have a look. Let's have a look. Okay, there is something that we can do here almost like this. So, This has to be always the case. So one, what is actually, if I say this, what is one character width? That is interesting, huh? Let's say background is red. So something like that. There is a margin. No, red. So my width is 70. I don't need this, I guess. So I need to, let's have a look. 50 isn't enough though. Can I make this background red? So if we make it 40 per, that could be. So we say 40 times length. Not enough. It has to be 42 times length.
Just like this shit. Tell me right now when I flip that switch.
Looks good to me now, yeah? Looks good to me if I say.
Give me that play by play. Yeah, I don't do good at fake. Give me that play by play. Put it up.
Is this? I hope this gives the string back. That would be better. No. What? How shitty is that? Wait. Console lock. Console lock. Oh, I can just say lock. Oh, okay, I just say lock. That is good to know. TN is better than IPS. I don't think that's the case. So that is one. So how do I capture this? 1 point needs to be 2 characters. That needs to be 2 characters. jQuery get string input of number value. Okay, wait, we give him always 1 extra plus 42. Yeah, I think so. Because it's kind of like 1.0. That is working. Why is that 3? That is stupid because the value is still 1. So 1 point. But I feel this is so unresponsive. Huh. I mean, this is the way it is. This is literally the way it is. This is the way it is, guys. There's no way around. If I do this and I remove that, it's just actually it's pretty cool. If I say that. So, but I don't want anybody put in billions. Minecraft hosts. Paying a server a year up front. That's a good thing, so you don't have to worry about it anymore. I think now it's time to say something like what? What for? Wait, what for servers or for a game? 10K? Is he making money with that? That sounds like a ridiculous amount of money. Okay, so now if I say, nope, it's a free Minecraft host. Well, let him do. I would believe he knows what he's doing. Wait, I need to do this now. Ah, that's the problem, guys. Okay, now, if I say this, 150 bucks, that is okay. If I say 1,500, that is close to be okay. But if I say this, it's not okay anymore. So we can say, if length equals 1, now we can say length equals 1, then it's 2, otherwise it's length. So I don't need to do that anymore. So 1, 2, and then 3. Okay, so that is good. 1, 2, 3. Okay, that sounds good to me. We need to reduce the font size now. If it has an impact like this. Nice, you like it, eh? Me too. So we have to do it somehow. That is interesting. Wait, what? Oh, that is an issue. Wait, length is 1 if length less than 1. No, wait, what is the issue here now? Value. Interesting. If I say... So my issue is if I say this... Huh. I don't know what that bug was. No. But see, okay, that was the issue now. Now it's gone. Okay. So we say length is less than 1. Then show me 2. So if I say this, then it's okay. So before, that was the bug. So before the issue was, if I say this, that is okay. If I then remove it, it's gone. And now we say if it's less equal 1. So then we can say this, and if it's gone, it's still there. Wait, what about removing EUR and show a EUR logo as a watermark in the background? Why would I remove it? In the future, I want to be able to click a button, and then here will be BTC in the future. Okay. That will be version 2 of this form then. And input. How many of those That's shitty. Well, this is indeed centered. Two, 4, 6, 7, 8. So if we have 75 is base, yeah? Wait, 75 was base. If we have 8 numbers and I need something like... You know what? I think there is letter spacing. No. Okay, no letter spacing. So I need something like this. On 8 digits, 75. That means for each digit, we reduce the font size from 75 base. Okay, so we can say base is 75. And then we can say this CSS font size. And it's base minus length times 5. And I guess I have to say then... Wait, oh shit. To string plus px? I can't wait till this weekend. I get out of school at 12:29, then I have no school Monday. Hey, you know what? I lay in the bed every day and I say I can't wait for work. Font size 25 sounds wrong. Well, my length is actually 10. Okay, length. Two, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 8 should be this size now. Okay, and then we can say base plus 10. Our base is 85. Okay, we can say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Almost, guys, almost. 0.1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That actually is good. That actually is good. It's just not good on this. Why is that good, but not that one? I understand, like in school, yeah, they teach pretty old stuff. They teach pretty old stuff. It's like the teacher, he knows what he's doing, but it's most likely stuff that is old, right? So, if you're a teacher, you do not have time to stay really up to date with the current modern world. Like, I doubt that there's a teacher that can teach you React Native, which is really the thing here right now, simply because he doesn't have time for doing that. This is legit what we are doing. Oh my goodness. The heck is that shit? The fuck? Yeah, exactly. That's the problem, man. It's like You learn like background and stuff. Yeah, well, we don't do this nowadays. We do this shit with CSS. It's pretty rare that you do a background image that you need to repeat. I mean, okay, of course you still do it, but that is not the trend anymore. This is like website 2000. Crap. Sad. Yeah. Oh, there's a map to the right. I didn't even see. Amazing, amazing technology, guys. So let's see at the other designer we have here quick. Just a second. Let's see his work diary. Have a look, guys. I show you. Work diary yesterday. How you guys like this? This so far? You think this would be nice? See, this guy, he's the bomb. He makes good designs. It's funny that he put his own dashboard in here. Okay. So this is going to be probably our front page then. Something like that. Let's see what he comes up with, you know. Give him a little bit of time. Don't be patient, Tim. Be patient. And then we have fun with him. Just saying. Just wanted to show that. I'm soon working on a thing like Streamlabs. Also, that's... Okay. Well, if you want to work on Streamlabs, it's super quick. It's open source. You just git fork it, and then you just do what you want to do. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is 7. But if I say... This is also 7. Wait. This is 7. This is 7. So the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is 10 digits, bro. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, this is 10 digits. Okay, that's not changing. That is okay. This is just not okay. I don't even know why that is. Let's have a look. Oh, the width is just so insane big. That's the problem. Background red. That is the issue. Uh-huh. So it doesn't need to be 40 now. Da, 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 da. Do you guys actually have music? You have, huh? Because I have other music in my ear now. Background red. Okay, so we got this. We got that. How is that? My width is 40 times the length. Doesn't need to be that big, so it's pretty much oof. Like 20, 25 the length. That's way enough. So that versus that. Ah, guys, we get to it. Background red. There you go, boy. This still looks a little bit shitty, itchy, wrongy. Okay, sure. As big as it is, that's more wrong it is. 1, 2, 3. It looks insanely stupid wrong as well. Length, width. Plus 25. Okay, can we give him default 3 as a length? Apparently not. So what is the width here? Is it 30? No, I mean like the web base. Wait, I didn't follow you guys. Wait, what do you guys talk? Well, if you need credits, don't do that class. Oh, the web base. Man, but that's actually like tough shit, bro. Like that is tricky. That is tricky stuff, let me tell you that. So if it's less equals than 3, then it's 3. Right, we have to do the following, man. This is annoying. My CSS selected coin. No. Input. Background red. Thank you. I need that now. I need that. That is the wrong field. I need it actually in my real background. That's where I need the background in. Okay. So this is pretty small now. Whatever I say. 1. Width is 92. Width is 93. And width should be now 125. 4. Width should be 125 times 3 times 4. So that is 43 times 4, 169. However, 150 is enough. 150 divided by 4 is 3750. Yeah, I don't understand that. But it's okay. We try that out. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Everybody sing a song. Come on, let's go. Ah, I get it now. Because of the font size. Oh, shit. So we need to say... Ah, I get it. Huh. No. Can I say display inline? Wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Display inline. Make JS input white as content. Is that possible? No, this is not what I want. Yeah, exactly. Oh, CH. Ah, I read about this earlier today. No. No. We can say length to string plus CH characters. So 3 chars wide. Oh, this is exactly what we need. How smart is that shit? Wow, I learned something. I read about this yesterday, the CH unit, but I didn't read it enough. Coinbase. I'm curious about their input. Which one? Which input? Where? Which one, buddy? Tell me which one you want to know. Let's have a look at it. Oh, Bitcoin Cash goes to crash. Nice. Which input are you talking about? But I can tell you they do style components. I don't know, man. Maybe that's the bomb. Maybe that seems to be the buy money input when you're logged in. Ugh. Let me see if I find an login here for Coinbase. Shit. Yeah, the thing is, like, I'm not verified here. That's my problem. Oh, now they sent me an SMS. Can you stop this stupid shit, Coinbase? You don't even support my country. Well, after I did, now I have to click an email. Coinbase, you annoying. Oh, man. Wait, mail. Maybe there's something useful. Hey, this is insane. This is insane. I just got the email. A copyright claim. Guys, a copyright claim. Can you imagine this? A copyright claim. Oh, they don't even show this. I received a copyright claim. I use exclusively music that is coming from the YouTube library. How can I get a copyright claim? And I've seen yesterday that Twitch already muted my video. And now I receive a copyright claim. How is that entirely possible? You filthy assholes. All countries affected. The fuck? So yesterday's whole video is blocked. This is just horrible, man. This is just horrible, man. Hey, wait, that's not what I want. I exclusively use, I use this, man. This is all fucking shit from the YouTube library. At least I think so. I'm not sure anymore. Wait. Is it, or is that the wrong library? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh no, man. Don't tell me I do this wrong. Oh, don't tell me I have the wrong music. YouTube music. Oh no. Oh no, I gave you guys these. Oh no. Oh shit, I gave you guys the wrong playlist. That's why they can copyright strike me. You need to have this one. Oh no. Shit. I fucking delete this music now. No wonder that people tell me. Wait. Trap unboxing? Trap Nation. Oh, no wonder that people tell me, oh, I love your music. D Downer. I cannot delete all these songs now. It's too dangerous for me. Oh, that means today's video, they also copyright strike. I have to stop streaming. I'll be back in a minute.